Namaste, my good friends. I am C. Aarti from Sai CA Coaching Center. In this video of mine, I am intending to deliver an important message which I hope would be of help to many students. Before going into the thing which I wanted to share, I would like to tell something about myself. I am a student who passed out 12th standard in March 2020 from Srimati Ramkuar Devi Fomra Vivekananda Vidyalaya, which is situated in Krompet. After my schooling, I enrolled myself for CA foundation course with Sai CA Coaching Center, and I had to write my exams in November 2020 attempt, and I just enrolled myself for the online classes due to the COVID-19, due to which the face-to-face classes weren't even an option. And at that point of time when we weren't able to go for face-to-face classes and the only option available to us was the online classes facilities only. And also when I inquired about Sai CA Coaching Center, I heard that the session runs about a maximum of 2 hours, and I had a doubt whether 2 hours is enough, and I hope even many people still now have the same doubt. And this session or this video of mine is to explain what is covered that 2 hours and if it is effective or not. Actually speaking, I had the whole of my CA foundation course only through online sessions, and every online session covering every topic in each subject were effective to that extent that we develop meager doubts, and that too maybe due to our negligence. And the topics which need explanation from a teacher so that it would be very clear, or where the chances of misinterpretation are very high, were explained in that. And whatever the topic that commands attention of the students were highlighted in those 2 hour audio sessions. And the 2 hour, which is a completely informative session, it was really information based, knowledge based session, and those 2 hours classes provided us with ample time to go through the topics which were taught in the class. We had enough time to read the books which is provided by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, to acquaint ourselves with the depth of the chapter, with the depth of the concepts. And these 2 hour classes proved very sufficient in everyone's case, and in my case too. And I would be very happy to share with you my CA foundation results of November 2020 attempt of mine. Actually, I got the distinction pass which was given by the ICAI, and I would like to share with you my mark sheet. Yeah. Yeah, as indicated, I would like to share with you my marks. In paper 1, which is Principles and Practices of Accounting, I got 83 marks on 100. In paper 2, which is Business Laws and Business Correspondence and Reporting, I got 85 marks on 100. In paper 3, which is Business Mathematics and Logical Reasoning and Statistics, I got 80 marks on 100. And in paper 4, which is Business Economics and Business and Commercial Knowledge, I got 86 marks on 100. So my total went on to about 334 marks on 400, and which is declared as a pass with distinction by ICAI. By God's grace, I am really very happy about it. And this is the result of the 2 hours classes, online classes, which we went through. The effectiveness and efficiency of the classes proved very helpful for me in helping me prepare for my exams. And I have enrolled myself again with Sai CA Coaching Center for my CA Intermediate Course Group 1 examinations for November 2021 attempt. And I am looking forward to do both my BCom regular college and as well as my professional courses. And a main thought of our coaching center is that the more and more a student gets time for revision, and the more and more time he does revision of the whole syllabus of which he is going to write the exams, the more and more conceptually clear he becomes, and thus he would be able to score good marks in his exams as well. And this motive of our coaching center provides students enough time for revision purposes. Nearly 3 months were granted for revision purposes alone for our CA foundation exams. We got clearly 3 months time for preparing for our exams, which proved a great help in achieving our results. And the next point is being independent. Being independent is something which our coaching center believes in. However, I had the habit of going back of my teachers every time for my every single doubts, and that proved helpful for me till my 12th standard. But after that I had to go through the concepts, go through some additional problems of the same kind, and go through some other techniques which helped me realize what mistakes were done and why I was not able to get the answer, or where a student could go wrong. And these self-analytical procedures which Sir prescribes helps a student in a great way to enter into the exam hall with confidence that we would be able to do it, and this confidence would effectively lead to a good score and also a good knowledge gain which a student obtains. And these are some very important aspects which I personally experienced with Sai CA Coaching Center during my CA Foundation course, and I am sincerely looking forward to doing my intermediate along with my college. And through this video I intended to communicate this to all the viewers who are watching this, and I also wish a very best of luck to everybody who aim high in their lives, and I also hope to see everyone achieve their ambition.